Today on Garage Guru TV, we'll show you how to keep your car show ready, or in our case, studio ready, with a portable deionization water system from Simple Chuck. Hi, this is DJ Martin and welcome to Garage Guru TV. Here we have the Double Chuck deionized water system from Simple Chuck. This is easily one of the most important tools in our garage, as we have to keep all of our project vehicles studio ready whenever we need them. And the hardest thing about keeping them studio ready is keeping them clean. Now, it's not too hard to clean a car, but perhaps the most annoying part is drying them off with a towel and getting all the water off so you don't have water spots. Deionized water takes care of that. With almost a half cubic foot of deionized filter media, the Double Chuck will provide about 400 gallons of spotless water that will allow you to wash, rinse, and walk away without fear of dreaded water spots. This system is on wheels that allows for easy placement around your work surface, and at only 23 inches tall, it fits in nearly all RV bays and beneath the workbench as well. So here we have just a few of the project vehicles we use here on Garage Guru TV. One of my duties here is to make sure they are camera ready and car meet ready by making them clean before most weekends. Now usually this would take me many hours, but with the Simple Chuck Double Chuck Spotless water system, it'll only take a few minutes. Let me show you how it's done. So here's the setup we use here at Garage Guru TV with our Simple Chuck system. We have a 1.2 gallon per minute, 1900 PSI pressure washer. The people at Simple Chuck recommend you use a pressure washer with their systems because it uses less resin and then less water, so less money out of your pocket. We're gonna dust off this Factory 5 Cobra because we got a show with it tomorrow. The deionized water will make your chrome, your aluminum, and your glass shine just that little bit more since there's no water spots. And the Simple Chuck system will also take off all of that pesky brake dust from your wheels. It's as simple as that. And now you know one of the secrets onto how we keep our project vehicles clean for the camera and for the shows. We'd like to thank Simple Chuck for the Double Chuck portable spotless water system. And if you want to see more about Simple Chuck's products, go to simplechuck.com. It's also good to note that this product is extremely portable and can fit in your trailer or even in your RV bay, so you don't have to use a bunch of water cleaning that big old rig. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'll see you around.